Hey, good morning. It's John with GreenKey. We're starting our next job. We're going to be installing a level 2 charger at a customer's house. It's going to be a 40 amp charger, so a 50 amp circuit, and I'll show you what we've got. All right, so here's their garage. We're going to be installing the charger on the wall right here. And the route's kind of interesting. We're going to be going through the wall right there. And then we are running, since their panel is nowhere near their garage, we'll be running conduit from basically right about there down and right below their siding along the brick right there. It'll go through that little section right there up at the top and then along right underneath the joist, and then you can see where we've already put our hole in right above the meter base right there. And then on the inside, step in real quick, put some shoe covers on. All right, so here we're inside. We can see our hole right there above the panel. And there's our panel, and we'll be installing the 50 amp breaker right there. And after we get everything done, we'll show you what it looks like. All right, we're all done with the install, so just wanted to show you what it looks like. Starting at the panel, we've got our new 50 amp breaker. Got it labeled. You can see our green field taking off out the top and going right out the back wall. Everything else is outside. So we'll head out. Shoe covers up. All right. So that new box right there is ours. Conduit runs up along the wall, out from under the deck. You can see it running just under the siding right there. Then in this LB, it turns, goes into the corner, and probably can see it best from this. Yep. And there is our box where it goes into the garage. All right, so we're wrapping up our job, and the last thing is the charger. And here we have it. It's a 40 amp up charger, and it's got an 18-foot cord, J1772 plug. And that's it. Hope y'all have a great day.